Fox 35 News at 5.
Why are the hottest holiday toys so hard to find this year? Well, high-tech Grinches are snatching them all up.
And these Grinch Bots could be costing you a bundle. Fox 35's Robert Guadarrama is live with a closer look. So, Robert, how can we compete with this technology?
Really, it's getting a bot for yourself. You know, if you've been doing some online shopping lately, you probably have run into this issue of trying to get an item like the one right next to me and finding that they're out of stock. Well, it's likely one of these Grinch bots has already bought them up, but you can get one too.
I couldn't get the PS5.
Like so many shoppers, Jay Astudillo has not been able to order a PlayStation 5.
Sold out every time.
It's likely because Grinch bots have bought them all up.
These bots get trained to go to certain websites, make the purchase, ship the product, and then someone flips it on eBay or another auction site and gets way more money for it.
And it's kind of messed up for people that are just trying to buy one thing.
Tech expert Tom Jelnick says Grinch bots are rampant.
92% of all of the traffic to a major retailer's website was coming from these bots. So what does that mean for you as a shopper? You're not going to get the deal. You're not going to get the product because these bots get them the second that the store restocks their shelves.
But there is a way to fight back. Deploy a bot of your own. Subscribe to paid shopping bot sites that will level the playing field for you.
You hit go and these things go out and do their job. They run around the internet and they'll find either the best deal or they'll find things that are in stock. Like they scrape websites and look for quantities. So that can be a service that can be very useful. You're going to pay probably a premium on top of what you're going to pay for the product itself.
However, beware of malicious bot providers.
I would be very cautious about putting my credit card number into any of those because there are so many that spoof legitimate looking websites. Can it save you a lot of hassle? Potentially. Can it cause you a lot of hassle? Absolutely.
So you may be asking, is this legal? And it is for now. Back in 2016, the Federal Bots Act criminalized ticket scalping bots, but for retail shopping bots, they were not included in that. Reporting live in Orlando, I'm Robert Guadarrama, Fox 35 News.